This isn't a parrot, or is it? African green pigeons are camouflage experts. They blend into fig trees so well, even predators miss them. When danger's near, they freeze. Total statue mode. But these birds aren't just hiding out. They're forest gardeners, swallowing figs, flying off, and dropping seeds everywhere. Every single poop is a new tree planted. That's real forest magic, delivered daily. Seed dispersal in action. Respect the green and thank your local pigeon.